What's wrong?
Yeah, take these, motherfucker.
You're getting ice.
Yeah, I need to make it.
Open up, come on. Oh, nice. Look at that big sucker. What's he liking?
He's liking.
He likes it.
2 minutes, 3 minutes tops.
Oh, not even. We're here for fucking 30
That's the
seconds,
way.
mate. Look at this guy.
That's the way.
Look at the smile on his dial.
That's the way to do it, bro. That's the way to do it, Cat.
Look at the size of his fucking thing. That is enormous.
It's enormous, bro.
You could eat that whole.
2. I'm still classing it as a fish.
Well, it is technically a fish.
It is technically a fish, bro.
Unless, do they have a name for baby fish? Like a joey?
Baby ready?
She's a baby red.
That can't be the one that ran with it, though.
It could have. It has to have been.
Well, it has to have been. That's sad.
That is sad as fuck.
That's sad. I got lures bigger than that.
Look at it. The worm's almost bigger than it. Look at it in its gob. Holy fuck.
Can't believe you got hooked.
Any other lines want to go?
Fucker, I'm gonna have to kill you.
Kill him.
Gonna have to. Sorry, buddy. I don't like doing that, but you shouldn't have got hooked.
Oh shit, I'm not going to film this.
It's going. Here we go.
Come here, baby.
Look at this bloke.
Come here, baby. Hey, come here.
Seen it bite, sprinted over.
More like, oh, she's got tight, she has. Let me see what's going on.
Nice catch, Camo.
She's not bad.
She's alright, look at that.
What's going on here? I'm all hooked up.
Nice.
Oh, she got a nice big tick on her tail or something.
Look at that. Here he is. Look, he's happy now. He's happy. He's gonna tongue it.
I'm going to tongue you when the camera's off.
Alright, tongue and time. Bye.
Okay. And it's just caught the second redfin of the day. This one's a little bit bigger than the other one. Yeah, no.
I actually think it's smaller. We'll have to do a comparison. I actually think they're getting smaller.
They're getting smaller. Look at this.
I'm going home.
He's so cute.
I'm done.
But we got to, yeah. We might have to put him down.
I think so. It's
He
going to be
swallowed
more
a bit
humane
too
for
big
him.
of a hook.
Yep.
He's just going to die out there anyway, so. Hopefully the next one is a bit bigger.
No, she's on.
She's on. Oh, hello.
We've got a bit of action.
We just get a bit of action.
Got a bit of action.
Hey, baby, calm down,
baby.
Don't talk to me like that.
There she
I
is.
just want to touch your body. Oh, fuck the fish. Lip grips.
Yeah. You got this?
I got this.
You got this?
There she is. Oi, hey, she's putting on a show. Splish splash in the gash. Oh, yeah, shabada. In you go, come on. Oh, she's a fucking fighter. Holy Jesus. Did not want to go easy. Fuck, that's a decent fucking size. Oh, wait.
Rock.
That's fucking...
Camo.
She's pretty fucking big,
Hang on,
mate.
what's happened here?
call this one the blowfish.
That's it. Hootie and the blowfish.
Alrighty.
Nice job, Camo. Nice
big.
job.
What's in the gob? Any Oh wait, no, that was a wormy.
There we go. Can we save it?
Fuck no.
Nah.
Not unless you put your finger down that.
Go do it.
Mate.
Alright.
See you, man.
See ya.
Alright, see ya. Hey matey!
You just missed another one.
Where the fuck is he? Bro, Wayno's just caught the biggest fucking stick I've ever seen. Where's the stick?
Gone. I released it.
He got a bit fucking
Don't stick your dick in my fucking face.
I'll stick my dick wherever I want. He got a bit shy. This is the stick here. You know? Not a bad length.
Get fucked.
I reckon you can do better, cuz.
Huh?
Talk us through the corning process.
The corning process is quite a fucking delicate procedure. You must grab the corn kernel, and to tell if they're any good, you go.
Any good?
Try. That's not bad.
Not
That'll
bad.
catch a good fish.
If you like it, the fish will like it.
That's what you got to do.
Holy
That last
fuck.
one.
That's like a buffet of corn.
Next time we're fishing
Give
with
us a
whole,
good look at that.
we're fishing with a whole corn on the cob next
Bring it a bit
time.
closer. That's him. Nice.
Mm.
Oh, baby.
What? Oh, juicing her up.
Juicing her up.
I think I should cut this tree out. Just this one branch.
In like Flynn.
Plonk. Flynn the man. Newest addition to the tribe.
Damn, Leah.
Now we wait.
Make sure you actually fucking cast right here, mate. And you fucking right.
What do you mean, mate? That's fucking perfect.
Perfect. Gourmet burgers and wraps.
Are you fucking serious?
That's serious.
Gourmet fucking burgers and wraps?
Yep.
Nah.
That's it. I'm serious.
Oh, we should go.